Today, you're going to learn a fantastic recipe for stomach problems. This can range from heartburn, acid reflux, gastric pain, and ulcers. The main component of this recipe is, surprisingly, sweet potato. According to those who have used this recipe, this is the finest natural cure for stomach issues. A stomach lining irritation is called gastritis. Heartburn and pain are two signs of gastritis. These symptoms are the most frequently experienced. If you don't take care of yourself, your symptoms could get worse. You may even start to bleed internally. But if you have this issue, don't worry. Nature has a remedy for gastritis and other stomach problems. Consider the following ingredients: 600 milliliters of filtered water, 1 medium sweet potato. Instructions: peel and chop the sweet potato. Blend the sweet potato pieces with 600 milliliters of water in a blender. Filter the mixture with a cloth or kitchen strainer. All of the liquid should end up in the bowl. Let it sit for 2 hours. You now have the liquid and the leftover pulp separated. The pulp of the sweet potato is found in the cloth. Some of the smaller particles may remain at the bottom of the bowl. Pour the liquid out until all that is left is the small pulp at the bottom of the dish. Take all the pulp from the bottom of the bowl and that left in the cloth, and combine. Dry the pulp in the sun. Once it has dried entirely, break it up. Store the powder in a dry, clean glass jar. When your stomach feels upset, simply put a teaspoon of sweet potato powder in 200 milliliters of water. Stir it well, sip. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe for more advice and recipes.